how's your 2018 going? Mine is going fine. I got up and just cleaned up my whole house. Okay, I'm tired, so I'm fixing me and Walter something quick and easy, but very tasty for dinner. And what time is it? It's 5:53. Okay, let me show y'all what I'm fixing. Get this camera off of me. Okay, I'll be using my oven to my stove. Okay, I'm making some candied yams, already prepared it. Got some cut sweet potatoes in here, some sugar, cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and some real butter. I'm gonna stick it in the oven. I got some glory greens. I love my glory greens. And let's put an onion. We had hamburgers yesterday, so I had some onion left, so I just stuck it down in here to help season the greens. You don't need nothing else with glory greens. And some Jiffy cornbread. That, y'all know what Jiffy is. These kind of sweet potatoes I used from Walmart. I think they came from Walmart. And some glory greens. I got the mixed greens and the turnip. I like those a lot. And to mix up my cornbread, I use chicken broth instead of milk or water. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in a, I don't know what this oven is on, 400-degree oven. And y'all already know I'm going to put some chicken wings. So I already seasoned them. And I'll be fixing them in my air fryer. I'll be back. Okay, I finished preparing my chicken wings. They've been washed. I didn't cut anything off. I used mustard. Let me show you. Just regular yellow mustard. I use my spice blend, which is a mixture of my onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, red pepper, paprika. Everything I have in my season drawer is in here. So I don't have to have a million seasoning containers shaking and shaking and shaking. And I did put some tahini on it. It gives it a kick. Okay. So I already sprayed my wings with some olive oil. And I do have my parchment paper down in the bottom. This is what it looks like. And I set everything for 400. And I'm going to set this for 22 minutes. I may turn it after about maybe 18 minutes. You don't have to just turn it at halfway anymore, y'all. I found that out. Okay, I will be back. And my other food is in the oven. Okay, y'all, these wings have been cooking for about, I think about 17 minutes. Just turned them over. Did I spray them? Yes, I sprayed them. Let's see what they've been cooking for. It was set for 22, so 18. They cooked for 18 minutes before I turned them over. So in a few minutes, I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on them and let that bake right in the air fryer. This is what I'm using today. Kingsford smoked hickory barbecue sauce. I tasted it. This is my first time buying it, but I did taste some. It tastes very good. I've never seen it before, so I had to try it. I will be back. Okay, y'all. Yum, yum. That's what my naked wings look like. I'm going to put some sauce on them. Walter just came and found this sauce. So, put some of that on the chicken. I said, man, why do you think I got it out? Put it on there freely. back in here. I'll add a couple more minutes on here. Let me check on my food in the oven. Okay, y'all. There are my wings with the barbecue sauce. Yum, yum. There's my greens that I didn't have to stand and pick and wash and all that. Pour them out the can. There's my blonde cornbread, but it's done. There are my candied yams. I'm about to get my eat on. Let me fix my plate. Okay, here's my plate, y'all. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. There's the wings. There's the greens. There's the cornbread. And there's the candied yams. Okay. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. Okay. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.